Loan servicing software for private lenders. What does it mean? Who uses it? What's it all about? What are the features and benefits? Let's go ahead and dive in, okay? Loan servicing software for private lenders, really, to be honest, isn't much different than loan servicing software for banks, for credit unions, for family offices, private equity firms, okay? Loan servicing software is a software platform that helps service a loan portfolio, collect all the payments from the borrower, do all the accounting, send the borrower statements once a month, once a week, once a day, making sure there's a client portal for them to log into to look at their transactions and their statements. Okay, just because you're a private lender doesn't mean your loan servicing software options are going to be any different. Okay, loan servicing software platforms like here at Centrex Software, whether you're a private lender, bank, credit union, we can offer you that loan servicing software product. Okay, at the end of the day, private lenders, however, aren't under as much regulation as, let's say, a bank or a credit union. Okay, so a loan servicing software for private lenders can get a bit more creative, maybe a bit more futuristic with some of the technology they use because they're not under such a crazy huge microscope like some of the banks and credit unions are. Okay, though the products are similar, you can get a little more creative as a private lender on what you can and cannot do. The nice part about private lenders is you guys have a very unique maybe way of underwriting, a unique way of servicing your portfolio. Maybe you're not as strict on servicing your portfolio. You'll allow certain things to happen. You'll be a little more lenient with your borrowers, and a good loan servicing software platform will allow you to have that flexibility. Okay, so loan servicing software for private lenders. Loan servicing software is a platform that helps private lending institutions manage their loan portfolio, collect payments, send statements, offer some nice tools and technology. Now, some of the features for private lenders are a client portal. I want my clients to be able to log into a portal. I need a payment integration, some sort of ACH or credit card processing integration to collect payments, right? I need a way to communicate with my borrowers in the system, email, text message, live chat, some sort of feature like that. I need compliance. Are you in certain states that require certain disclosure documents? Do I have integrations with those different organizations that live in that state? Mostly law firms have those types of software companies, and then third-party integrations. Okay, so the features of a loan servicing software for private lenders has a lot to do with the different types of databases that private lender needs to access data. Okay, whether it's credit data, banking data, tax return data, background check data, identity verification data, employment data, right? If you're doing certain products that require land, you're doing geothermal inspections, you're doing land inspections, lots of different integrations depending on the type of private lending servicer that you are. Okay, some of the benefits of loan servicing software for private lenders is it organizes the loan servicing process. Okay, back in the olden days, if you wanted to collect money from a borrower, they would send you a check that would take 5 to 7 days to get to the bank, then a few more days to clear. You're sending paper letters and paper statements off to your borrowers, though we do some of that still today. But it was a very manual process, and data was kind of all over the place, and it was very difficult to manage. Well, with private lenders these days, they have the ability to buy a nice loan servicing software platform, and within that platform, it manages that entire process mainly in an automated way. Automated ACH drafts, automated credit card drafts, automated accounting, right? Client portal automatically gets sent to the borrower. They can log into a client portal, see their statements, see their documents, see their transactions, ask for help, ask for more money. Okay, a lot of great features in there, and a lot of great benefits for both the private lending institution and the borrower. Okay, the more features that loan servicing software for private lender has, the happier the borrower is going to be. They're going to have a nice borrowing experience, payment experience, and the happier that private lender is going to be. Things are more organized, things are all in one place. They can access one system to see everything, all their accounting, all their transactions, all their borrowers. Okay, so just because you're a private lending institution doesn't necessarily mean there's going to be different technology out there for you. It allows you to get a bit more creative, allows you to be a bit more empathetic as far as how you service your portfolio, but not much different. Okay, here at Centrex Software, we have a phenomenal loan servicing software platform for private lenders. You've got lots of different features, lots of different integrations, payment processing integrations, client portal, mobile app technology. Go ahead and click on request a demo, and we'll have a Centrex Software representative give you a call.